Troubleshooting no sound issue on your Sharp TV.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common issue: how to troubleshoot when there's no sound coming from your Sharp TV. This is a problem that can occur for a variety of reasons, but don't worry, in most cases, it can be solved with some simple steps. Let's dive in.
Is the sound issue general or specific?
The first thing you want to do is to isolate the problem. Is the sound not working on all channels and inputs, or is it specific to one? Try changing channels or switch between different input sources like HDMI, AV, or streaming apps to see if the sound comes back. If the sound issue is specific, the problem might be with a particular channel, input device, or application, not with your TV.
Checking the mute and volume settings.
The next step is to look at the most common and often overlooked issues, the mute and volume settings. Check if your TV is on mute or if the volume level is set to 0. You can try increasing the volume or unmuting your TV using both the remote control and the physical buttons on your TV.
Checking the audio settings.
The next step involves checking the audio settings of your TV. Go to the audio settings on your Sharp TV. Make sure the audio is set to TV speakers or audio system, depending on your setup. If you are using an external speaker system, verify the connections and ensure that the settings are correct.
Checking the cable connections.
It's also important to check your cable connections. Loose or faulty cables can often cause sound issues. Check all the cables connected to your TV and ensure they are securely plugged in. If you are using an HDMI cable, try to switch it with another one to see if the cable itself is the issue.
Software update.
Last but not least, the no sound issue can sometimes be resolved by a software update. Go to your Sharp TV settings menu, navigate to Software Update, and check if any updates are available. If there is an update, download and install it, then check to see if your sound issue is resolved. That's it, folks. These are some simple steps you can follow to troubleshoot the no sound issue on your Sharp TV. Remember, if all these steps fail, you might want to consider contacting Sharp's customer service for further help. Hope this video was helpful and you'll get back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time.